Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Today, Addie gets to ride her motorcycle for the very first time. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's do this. So here we are hanging out at Forgotten Angels, one of my favorite places on planet Earth.
Awesome.
With my favorite people, David and Cindy over here doing their amazing work, their amazing ministry, taking care of these kids. That's a lot. How many boys you got on the property right now?
Right now we're down to 6, but we've got 2 new properties.
Yeah.
One for girls, one for boys, and then we're actually getting ready to move out to Portland, Oregon to start.
Yeah.
So we'll be working with Jason at Sugar Tree Farms.
Spreading the knowledge, the wealth of what you guys are doing out here. So super cool. Got Addie out with her motorcycle. She's able to start the bike. She's able to kind of work the clutch, but we're finding out it's probably a little bit harder with that clutch for her, right?
You know what? It was hard for me, and I've been riding for 40 years. But you know, Addie, to her credit, jumped on the DCT. You know, it's an 1100 Honda Rebel, and literally drove it like it was. She's been riding it for weeks.
I was like, I am in trouble because my daughter is already like within the first 5 minutes riding around on this motorcycle. We tried her on a couple different bikes with the clutch, and it's going to take a little bit more practice before she can actually jump on that 1970 Triumph and rip around, because I know she wants to do it. She asks me about it all the time, but we're going to go for a little ride. We're going to take a couple bikes out. We're going to take her for her first little miniature group ride.
Yeah, she's going to do well. You know, listen, Christmas is going to be modular helmet, gloves, boots, leather jacket, chaps.
Hey, she's only 14 years old. She doesn't get her license until she's 16.
Oh, in that case, then it's going to be modular helmet, leather, chaps, boots.
She's already creating an Amazon wish list of like all of the cool accessories and things like that. All right, let's go jump on some bikes. Let's take her for a ride.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's go. Oh my goodness. What do you think about that?
It was cool.
It was cool? You liking riding motorcycles? Mm-hmm. All right, so I know that you're riding a Honda, and that's okay. You have to start somewhere, but your motorcycle is way cooler than this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but we do thank David over at Forgotten Angels for letting us use this motorcycle, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, you want to see how fast this motorcycle will go?
Sure.
Let's do it. All by yourself? All right, this is not good. This is not good. You have to stay with me, okay? You can never leave. You're not allowed to leave home. You have to stay with me. You're not allowed to get married and go away. But we can go for motorcycle rides together. All right, so here we are wrapping up the video today. David, thank you so much for teaching my daughter how to ride a motorcycle. Now I'm super nervous because you are so good at it. And we're gonna have to get that 1970 Triumph going. We're gonna have to give you some practice. You're really good at kickstarting it, so high five on that. Nailed it. So we gotta just get her working on that clutch, and we'll get her on that bike. There's no rush.
Yeah, she did amazing. You know, a lot of people that I teach for the first time, they let their nerves get the best of them. And once we started to talk about it, she was able to use those nerves and focus on what she needed to do. And literally she was doing things that were what, you know, 2- and 3-year motorcycle riders do. So
good job, girl.
Yeah, that was awesome.
So all of the girls who are watching this video have never rode motorcycles before in your life. What piece of advice would you tell them to do?
I don't know.
Just do it, right? Just jump on a bike, find somebody like David, come down to Forgotten Angels. David will teach you how to do it, right?
I'll teach anybody.
He'll teach anybody, and you'll be riding down the road just like Addie in no time. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out. Thank you for letting my daughter be a part of this video today. David, thank you for opening up the property to us. With that, we're gonna wrap up today's video. If you guys are new around here, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Forgotten Angels and Weems Motor Co.
Like and subscribe.
Do all that stuff. Do those things. Peace.